Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Facebook Pixel to Shopify, and I will explain you each and every steps very carefully, so make sure you watch till the end. Now first of all you have to go to the Shopify, then just go to the Shopify settings. Now here you will get this option of apps and sales channel on the left side. Click on it. Once you click on it, here on the top right you will get this option of Shopify App Store. Click on it, you will be redirected to a new page. And this is basically Shopify App Store. Now here we have to install Facebook and Instagram, right? If you don't get it, you can always search for it. For example, I will just write here Facebook. I don't mind the spelling here. I will just click on it. I will click on install. Automatically, I will again redirect it to a new page here. Don't worry, for a few seconds, it will be a completely black. Now here you have to click on install. Just wait for a few minutes because it's take a little bit of time. As you can see here, it got installed, and you will notice one thing on the left side. You will see there's a separate section for Facebook and Instagram. Now to add it, it is a very important thing, and make sure you watch this, very important, right? Because you will get this option of get started, and if you just go and click on get started option, you will always face an error. And why is that? Because in the bottom, if you scroll down, you will see two options: shop in ads and ads only. So this is very important because in your country, if Facebook shops and ads is on in fact most of the countries, but shop is only available in US, Canada, UK, right? It's not available in such as, for example, India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, right? In those countries. So if you're from those countries, make sure you first of all check. And if you still don't have any, reason, then you can just go and click on get started. Because if you just want to, you want to do only the ads on Facebook or Instagram for your Shopify products, then just go and click on ads only. So I will select here get ads, and by the way, if you select the another option, everything is exactly same. Now here it will ask you to connect your Facebook account to get started. I will just go and click on connect account here. Now automatically my Facebook, in your case, it will ask you to log in into your Facebook account. I've already logged in, so I will just go and click on continue as my account. Now just wait for it. Now here you will see the business portfolio. In my case, I've already created two business portfolio. And if you have not created, then just go and click on create a new business portfolio. I will advise you to create a business portfolio for every Shopify store. Now here you have to select maximum, because if you select maximum, more and more data Facebook will take from your Shopify, and this will help you to get your advertise your product to your best target audience. So I will advise you just go to select and maximum. If you want to read about it more, you can just go and read here. Now I will just go and click on save. Once I go and click on save, our business portfolio is done. As you can see here, the green check mark. Now this is about data sharing, right? And this is a create a pixel. So if you don't know that, automatically Facebook install a pixel in the background of your Shopify store, and pixel is the reason that collect all the information from your Shopify store, and it's the main core that help you to advertise your product and to reach your exact correct audience, right? So make sure you just go and click on create new. If you have already created, that's fine, and just go and click on confirm. Now here you have to click on I agree and click on submit for review. It will take a very few seconds because it will just adding getting, everything getting installed. So you have to wait patiently, and everything will get finished. Make sure you don't move your pages or everything, don't click any different section of your Shopify store till it get installed. And once it get installed, you will see a note here. You will find a setting option. Now I don't have this because it's still in the loading process. Now it's done. Okay, now here you can just run your ads or Facebook on Instagram. As you can see here, it's active. Now I can just go to the settings here. I can change here. For example, I want to change the pixel, I want to disconnect it. You can disconnect it really easy. And if you want to run ads and everything, you can just go and click on create ads. You will be redirected to your Facebook ad manager here, and you can just create ads here. Now go to the business settings, and you can just create ads, right? And this is here pixel. So this is how you can just, connect Facebook pixel to your Shopify very easily. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe for more.